Hello student. I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRT Art, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I warmly welcome you today's class. We are talking about GGDT 114, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Paper number is 4 and topic number is 6, Human Settlement. Now today's topic will be discussion from a classification of urban and rural. Means we are going to the about classifieds for human settlement. Now student, first of all, what is meant by the human settlement will be discussion one by the one. Now some shelter is one of the most important basic necessity for a human being. Even the neck sense and pagans need to the sleep and physiological necessity to living beginning thus at same place. Man also need to the some part of the shelter in the same breast. For shelter is selected of tree benches, caves, pits, rock cutting, hidden places. The shelter places become the most concrete, expensive human culture activities assume various from the well name is house, dwelling, group of dwelling, houses, abode, habitation. From all the human habitat, more specifically settlement. With the establishment of any sort of dwelling in the foundation of civilization is laid, which is grow, flourishing and spread like the petal and blossoming flowers in all direction varied tint with colors and temporal spatial variation in form and habitation. This is become is the concrete expansion of anthropogenic and later of genetic adoptions of human being. Although all living and organisms build themselves nest dwelling like bees, bears, ants, etc. An animal only produce what was immediately need to the itself or its eggs. It produces one side which merely produce universally the university of houses and their grouping in the form of settlement exhibit variation of size, shape, pattern and types of well and multi-distributional aspect all the beings is subject matter of systematic study. Now these are the some veins, rope and leather covered to the tent in the gloss in the felt yurt. Peter due to the surface and house cut is the losses and cave cut is the rock and wattle web dave the dwelling in the forest header and in, hunter but is the bespoke humanization hence interaction with environment. The more advanced of civilization, the more complex become interaction. This needs the for the preplications in study of understanding the concerns surrounding environment of the whole. No isolated part if the study of isolation would the suffice for the form of subject matter because all over the effect of sun of the part of remain always less that is overall behavior of a whole. The study of a single most settlement with its own niche and evidence as a subsystem of system both become essential. The unit of settlement, however, many range from slums dwelling in town huts and from the tribal homesteads up to the ecopolis. This is the any settlement can be studied is either world be regional context, but any settlement is not to be advocate appreciate must be correlated with the other fact of geography, relief, climate, geology, and social economic condition branches of the first group among the essential fact of human geography. Houses, road, and fields are essential for of human occupations and features of land formations. These are the some discussion from the human settlement. Now student topic will be classification of rural and urban settlement. Now student topic number 6 said name of the topic is human settlement. Thou first of all first point is the classification of rural and urban. Now second point is rural and urban dichotomy and third one is site situation aspect of settlement. Now fourth time is different types of settlements like compact, semi compact, it and disperse, and last fifth one type is pattern of settlement. This is the topic cover from the 5 points we be in human settlement. Now student will be discussion from the human settlement. Now human settlement means the cluster of dwelling any type of or size where human being alive. Very important concept. Human settlement means human settlement is very important concept means cluster or dwelling any type of size. म्हणजे cluster means is dwelling of any types or size where human being live. That is the called as a human settlement. Now for this the purpose of people may be erect house, other structure and command some area or a territory or their economic support base. These are the someone, this is the some purpose of the houses and structure. Now the process of settlement in inherently involve the grouping of people and opportunity to territory on their resource base. Now the settlement vary in size, varies in sizes and types. Now the range of from hamlet to metropolitan city. This is the range. First range is the human settlement. First range is hamlet to the metropolitan cities. Why the size and the economic character and social structure of settlement changes, and so do it is ecology and technology. Settlement could be small and sparsely spaced. They may also large and closely spaced. The sparsely located small settlement, it is called as a village, specializing in agriculture or other primary activities. These are the some very important here. So located a small settlement, it's called as a villages. Means a small settlement, it is called as villages, specializing in agriculture or other primary activities. Now other hand, there is a few but larger settlement, which is term of urban settlement, specializing in secondary and tertiary activity. This is the basic difference from the settlement, urban settlement and rural settlement. Some urban rural settlement is the small village and specializes in agriculture as well as the primary activity. Now in the urban settlement, an urban settlement means this is a specialization of secondary or tertiary activity like industry, other things. Means this is the basic difference from the rural settlement and urban settlement. Now here will to be continue. Human settlement is the form of human habitation, is a range from single dwelling is a large city. In other words, it is a process of opening up and setting the previously uninhabited area by the people. People live in the cluster of houses, might be the village, town or a city. Means the clusters of houses might be in village, might be in a town, might be in a city, might be in a metropolitan city, might be in a suburban area, might be any things here. Means this is the human settlement. Now the study of human settlement is the basic of human geography, because the form of settlement of any particular region reflect the human relationship with the environment and environmental relationship. Means particularly regions, any regions, maybe human and environment is a relationship. Probably how where prepared to say human settlement, but is first of all the is take the environment. Means environment and environmental relationship is important to human settlement. Now human settlement is defined as a place inhabited more and less permanently. The house may be designed or redesigned, building may be alert, functions may be changed, but settlement continues in the in time and space. There may be some settlement which is a temporary and are occupied for short periods, may be reason. Now the basic difference from rural and urban settlement as follows. This is the basic difference. What is the basic difference from rural and urban settlement as follow? Wow, the rural settlement is derived from the life support. Suppose this is the basic difference. This is the first one is the rural settlement derived from the life support and basic economic need from the land based primary economic activity, means in the rural area, whereas urban settlements depending on processing of raw material and manufacturing of finished goods on the one hand and a variety of services of the other. These are the basic difference from the rural settlement and urban settlement. This is the rural settlement is basic need, basic economic need from the land-based primary activity, and urban settlement is depending on the processing, raw material, manufacturing, and variety of the services. These are the two activity-based difference from the rural settlement and urban settlement. Now, at the nodes of economic growth provide goods and services not only in urban dwells but is also to the people of the rural settlement and their hinterland in the return to the goods and raw materials. Now, functional of relationship between the urban and rural settlement take place through the transport and communication network. Means rural and urban settlement differ in terms of social relationship, attitudes and outlooks. Now, rural peoples are less mobile, therefore social relation among them is intimate. In urban areas, on the other hand, way of life is complex and fast and social relationship of formal. This is the basic difference from the rural settlement as well as the urban settlement. Now here the type of rural settlements. These are the types of rural settlements. It determined types of settlements are determined by the extent of built up area. Now inter house distance. In India, compact cluster villages, few hundred houses in rather the universal features, particularly the northern plains. Now, however, there are the several areas which have the other forms of rural settlement. There are the various factors of condition responsible for having the different types and the rural settlement in India. This include physical features like nature of terrain, altitude, climate, and availability of power. Now, culture and ethic factors form social structure, caste, religion, etc. Now, security factors depends against the thieves and robberies. These are the some factors also affected from the rural settlement as well as the rural settlement as well as urban settlement. Now, rural settlement in India broadly is put into the four types. First one is a cluster, agglomerated and nucleated. Now, semi-cluster and fragmented, hamleted, then dispersed in are isolated. These are the four type. First one is cluster, second one is semi-cluster, then in hamleted and hamlet, then dispersed and or isolated. These are the four types for Indian rural settlement. Now, here type of rural settlement. First of the cluster settlement. This is the cluster settlement is a compact and closely built up area of houses in here. Now, in the type of villages, is general living area is distinct separated from the surrounding frames, burns and pastures. Then closely built up area and intervening street present socio recognizable pattern and geometric shape such as rectangular, radial, linear, etc. Now, such a settlement are generally found in fertile alluvial plains and northeastern state. Sometimes people live in a compact village for security, for defense reason such as in Budelkhand regions, central India, and Nagaland. The Rajasthan security of water is a necessity is compact settlement for maximum utilization of water available water resources. Now, this is the type of rural settlement, semi-cluster settlement. Now, semi-cluster settlement is semi-cluster settlement or fragmented settlement may be result from the tendency of clustering in the restricted area for dispersed settlement. More often, such as pattern may be also result from the segregation, fragmentation of a large compact village. Now, in the case, one or more section of the village's society choose is forced to live a little way away from the main cluster of the villages. Now, in such case, generally a land owning and dominate a community occupies the central part of the main village, whereas people are lower strata of society and many workers settle on the outer flank of the villages. Such as settlements of White Shepherd in Gujarat plains, some part of the Rajasthan. Now go to the next point. The next cover is hamlet settlement. Now hamlet settlement, sometimes settlement is fragmented into the several units physically separate from each other bearing to the common name. This is unit is locally named as Panna, Para, Pali, Nagala, Dhani. Some are the various part of the country. Now, the segmentations of large villages is often motivated by social and ethnic factors. Such villages were frequently found in middle and lower Ganga plain, Chhattisgarh, or lower valley of the Himalaya. Now, next point is dispersed settlement. Now, dispersed and isolated settlement pattern is India appear in the form of isolated hunts and hamlet of few hunts in the remote jungles or small hills in the form of pasture of the slopes. Now, extreme dispersion of settlement is often caused by the extremely fragmented nature of the terrain and land resources based as habitable area. Many areas of Meghalaya, Uttaranchal, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala have this type of the settlement. Now, classification of urban settlement. The next point is the classification of urban settlement. The definition of urban areas varies from one country to the another. Now, some of the other common basis of classification of the size of population, occupational structure, and administrative setups. Now, first one is the size of population. It is a very important criteria used in most countries to define the urban area. Now, the lower limit of the population size for the settlement to be designed as urban is 1,500 in Colombia, 2,000 in Argentina, Portugal is 2,500 and USA in Thailand in 5,000 in India and India in 5,000 and 30,000 in Japan. Now, beside the size of population density is 400 persons per square kilometer share, the non-agriculture worker have to take with the consideration of in India. Now, countries with the low density of population may be choose and lower number as the cut off the figure compared to densely populated countries. In Denmark, Sweden, Finland, all the places with the population size of the 250 person all are called urban. The minimum population for the city is here. Now, this is a occupational structure. Now, some of the countries such as India is a major economic activity. In addition, the size of the population is designing a settlement as a urban are also taken into criterion. Similarly, in Italy, a settlement is called as urban if more than 50% of the economically productive population is engaged in non-agriculture pursuit. India has set up criteria for the 75% is non-agriculture sectors will be important here. This is important here. Now, occupational structure is non-agriculture sector is around 75% in India. Now, the administration. The administration setup of criteria is classified of settlement is urban is some countries. Now, for example, in India, settlement is the name of size is classified by the urban. It have if it is has been the municipality, cantonment board notified urban rural area. Similarly, in Latin America countries such as Brazil, Bolivia, any administrative center is considered urban irrespective of the its population size. Now, next one is locations. Location of urban center is examined and the reference of their functions. For example, the sitting requirement is a holiday resort and quite the different from the in industrial town, military center as a seaport. Now, strategic town require sites of operation natural defense, mining towns require presence of economically valuable minerals. Industrial town generally need local energy supply to raw materials. Tourist center require attractive scenery and Marines Beach, spring with medical water and historical release, sport are required to the harbor, etc. Now, next one is classification of urban, which is locations. Location are earliest to the urban settlement where based on availability water, building material and fertile lands. Today, while those as considerations still remain valid, modern technology plays in significant role in the locating of urban settlement far away from the sources of these materials. Now, pipe water can be supplied for distant settlement. Building material can be transported from the long distances. Now, apart from these sites, the situation play as an important role to as an expansion of towns. Thus, urban centers which are located close to the important trade route have the experience rapid development. Now, these are the some another one teeny function of urban center. These are earliest towns where center, administrative, trade, industry, defense, religions importance. Now the significance of defense and religions are differentiating functions has been declined in general, but the other function have been entered the list. Today, several new functions such as recreational, residential, transport, mining, manufacturing, and most recently activity related to information technology are carried on the specialized town. Some of these functions do not necessarily require the urban center to have any fundamental relationship with neighboring rural area. Now, these are the functions of urban center in spite of the town performing multiple functions referred to their dominant functions. Now, for example, in thick the Sepult is the industrial city, London has port of city and Chandigarh is the administrative city, so on. Large city have rather than a diversity of function. Besides, all city has a dynamic over a period time may be developed with new functions. Most of the early 19th century fishing port in England have now developed tourism. Many of the old market town are now known in manufacturing activity. Town and cities are classified into the following category. Now, functions of area. Now, administrative types. National capital, which is house of administrative offices in central government such as New Delhi, Canberra, Beijing, Addis Ababa, Washington DC, London are called as an administrative town. Provincials. Town has also coordinated administrative functions such as example Victoria, British Columbia, New York, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Now, trading and commercial towns. Agriculture markets towns such as Piping and Kanna City, banking and financial center in Frankfurt, administered large inland centers in Manchester, St. Louis, and transport nodes such as Lahore, Baghdad, and Agra have been important trading centers here. Now, these are the some culture towns. Places of pilgrims such as Jerusalem, Makkah, Jagannath Puri, and Varanasi, etc. This is considered as a cultural town. There are this is the urban center has a great religious importance. Now, additional functions which is the cities perform the health and recreation. The Mahim and Panji, industrial in Jamshedpur, mining and quarrying in the Bokar Hill and Dhanbad, transport in Singapore and Mughal. These are the ones. Now, this is the type of urban settlement depending on the size of services, availability of functions. Render urban center are designed as a town, city, million city, con urban nation city, megalopolis. Now this is the first one is a town. What is meant by town? The concept of the town can be based understanding the reference to village. Population size is not the only criteria. Functional contrast between the town and village may be not always to be clear cut, but specific functions such as manufacturing, retail, wholesale trade, and professional services exist in the towns. Now, this one is another one is city. Now, any city may be regarded as the leading towns, which is outstrip. It is a local and regional levels. In the otherworldly movement, the city is in fact the physical form of the highest and more complex type of associative lives. Cities are much larger than towns, have a greater number of economic functions. They tend to have the transport terminal, major financial institution, and regional administrative offices. When the population crosses of 1 million marks, it is designated as a million city. Now here, megalopolis. The Greek words meaning great city, which popularized from James Cotton 1957, the signifies by the super metropolitan regions extending as union conversion. Now the urban landscape stretching of Boston in the north and south of Washington in USA, the best example of the megalopolis. Million city. The number of million cities in the world will be increasing never before. London reached in million mark in 18, followed by Paris in 1850, New York is 1860, and by 1950 there are around 80 such cities. The rate of increase number of million cities has been threefold in the every decades, around 160 to 900, 1975 around 438 in 2005. Thank you. Student will be discussed from the classification. What is the difference between the rural settlement and urban settlement, and what is the classified of the urban settlement as well as rural settlement today topic. Student, today stop here. Any doubt, any query, ask me anytime. Write a mail bharatgadak@kthmcollege.ec.in. Today stop here. Remaining part next lecture, next continue. Okay, good day, bye.